Do you experience acid reflux and have tried everything under the sun, but it still won't go away? Today we're diving into this topic and we're going to blow your mind away with how some upper cervical chiropractic care can help. So let's talk about acid reflux. You know that annoying feeling when your stomach decides to do a little salsa dance and sends acid back up your throat? Not cool, stomach, not cool. But fear not, my friends, because we've got a secret weapon against these pesky acid reflux symptoms. It's called upper cervical chiropractic, and it's here to save the day. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth does my neck have to do with acid reflux? Well, my curious friends, it all comes down to the vagus nerve. You see, the vagus nerve is like the boss of your digestive system, controlling everything from swallowing to digestion. But sometimes it gets a little cranky and starts acting up. And that's where upper cervical chiropractic steps in. By gently adjusting the bones in the upper neck, these chiropractic superheroes can help reduce the pressure around the vagus nerve, allowing it to do its job properly. It's like giving your nerves a spa day, folks. So imagine this, you're sitting there, enjoying a delicious meal, and suddenly, your stomach starts behaving like a volcano. But thanks to upper cervical chiropractic, that volcano turns into a calm, serene lake. Bliss. Now, I know you're thinking, but does it really work? Well, my skeptical friend, the research says yes. Studies have shown that upper cervical chiropractic care can significantly reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. It's like a magic trick, but without any rabbits. So, if you're tired of popping antacids like they're candy, maybe it's time to give upper cervical chiropractic a try. Who knows? You might just bid farewell to acid reflux forever. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing and hilarious content. And remember, laughter is the best medicine, but a little upper cervical chiropractic care doesn't hurt either. So stay tuned for more awesomeness, and until next time, keep laughing and keep those acid reflux demons at bay. See ya.